Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and for this tutorial I will give you a tutorial for basic MySQL, and this is very basic and you can follow with easily. And this is our agenda. First we will connect to the database using terminal, and the next is try simple syntax like create and drop database, create and drop table, and the last is alter table. And the last agenda is connect to the database using tools maybe. Okay, let's start it. First we need to connect to the database. Okay, this is your username. Okay, first thing is let's check database. We have okay, this is a default database, and we will make new one. We try. Okay, trying database. Okay, let's check. This one, and let's drop this database. Okay, the data is already deleted, and the next is we will make new table, and but we need to create new database first. Okay, let's try again. Sorry, this one. Okay, so we need to select the database so we can create and make new table in the database. Okay, okay, we don't have anything. Let's try make new one table. Okay, the name of table is maybe student ID. This is the data type integer, and we set the length of character is 10, and we set to be auto increment because this ID will be primary key. First name, okay, and the last thing is we will set this ID field to be primary key. ID. Okay, done. And let's check it. Okay, this one, right? And you can check the structure of the table. Yeah, very easy. Okay, let's make new one. Sorry, maybe we just change the name of table to be teacher. Okay, let's check. Show tables. Okay, and now we will try delete the table. Okay, done. Let's check. Okay, already deleted. And next is we will alter table, so we will make some changes on in the student table. Okay, or we will add new fields in this table. Okay, so let's try. And add, this is the name of field, address. Okay, let's check. Okay, the next is delete the field. Okay, let's try. Address. Oh, sorry. Okay, already deleted. And the next is we will modify this name of field, maybe to be last name 1. Okay, let's check. Sorry. Okay, we already make changes. And the next is we will try make new database or make new table, but not using terminal. We will try using the tools. And yeah, this is tools. I using dbeaver. So let's try connect to our local database. Select MySQL. Next, server host, localhost, and port. This is default. And okay, username. Let's test the connection. Okay, finish. This one. This is our database, and this is database we used before. And let's try make new database. Very easy. Try. Okay, done. And we can delete this database like this. Yeah. And the next is we will modify this table using dbeaver edit table. I will try change this last name to be data type is to be text. Yeah, and save. This is the syntax like this, and okay, persist. Okay, done. Very easy. And if you wanna add new column, you just click this menu. Okay, yeah, done. This is very easy. And if you wanna delete the table, you just click this menu and sorry, yeah, just choose the delete menu. Yeah, yes, yeah, already deleted. And okay, yeah, see you in the next videos.